Yes.
When you have an artificial knee, and once in a great while, you can actually, with your own ear, hear it click.
Yep.
What's that a sign of?
Nothing. That's the normal knee replacement. So the knee that God gave you has tissues and ligaments, and they're fairly soft, but even those knees, normal knees, natural knees, click.
Mine do all the time.
There you go.
All the time.
So I have people that come in and tell me that the knee that they were born with is clicking. And if that's a problem, and my answer is the same, it's normal. That's called crepitus, and that's normal, that's part of being human.
Can you show us what happens on
So on a knee replacement, what I do is I replace all those normal structures with plastic and metal. You hear that? Can everyone hear that? That's what happens. When you're bending your knee, the plastic and the metal click. That's the way it's supposed to function. If you don't feel that or hear that, that means that something isn't engaging. Or you just have a perfect knee and you're lucky. So everybody feels a little bit of that. Some people, for the first couple months, really annoys them, and then they get used to it and it becomes their new clicking knee. Yeah. That's completely normal. I wouldn't worry about it. Yes?
It's like